In this video, I will show you how to change your Google account password. So what you want to do is make sure you're logged into your Google account. So you want to open up an internet browser and log into your Google account. And once you've done that, if you head over to google.com, in the top right hand corner of Google, next to the Google Apps icon, you're going to want to click onto your Google account picture. Once you've done that, you're going to get a window come up. From here, click the Manage Your Google Account button, and that's going to take you across to a screen like this. Now from here, if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, you want to click onto Google Password. What it's going to do is ask you to enter your current password to verify first of all that it is you. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to this screen where you can choose a new password. So you just want to enter that into the box here, confirm your new password in the box underneath, and then click the Change Password button. Now, just bear in mind when you do this, you may be signed out of your account if you are logged in on, for example, like your phone or things like that. So you will need to log back in with your Google account on other devices, but that is how to change your Google account password. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.